Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to add people with access to your Facebook page on PC using the latest update. If you want to give someone else the ability to help manage your page, follow along step by step and you'll have it done in no time. First, open Facebook from your browser and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with all the pages you manage. Next, select the page you want to update by clicking on its profile photo. This will take you directly to your page's main view. From here, look for the menu on the left-hand side and scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Click on it and then select Settings from the options that appear. Once you're in the Settings area, find and click on Page Setup in the left sidebar. Under Page Setup, you'll see an option called Page Access. Go ahead and click on that. On the Page Access screen, you'll see a section labeled People with Facebook Access. To add someone new, click on the Add New button next to this section. A new window will pop up. Just click Next to continue. Now it's time to choose who you want to give access to. Use the search bar to type in the name or email of the person you want to add. When you find the right person, click on their name, then select Give Access. To finish up and confirm the changes, Facebook will ask you to enter your password. Type in your password and click Confirm. That's it. Your chosen person will now have access to help manage your Facebook page. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy Facebook tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.